Now, if you have watched our channel for any amount of time, you have probably heard me say at least a dozen times that, man, this house is my favorite house. However, this time, this house, it might be my favorite house for me personally to live in. Want to check it out? This is the Sandpiper model by Homes by West Bay. Come on, let's go inside and let me know what you think. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. It's just a little over 2,100 square feet. It's got a swimming pool. It's pretty nice. Absolutely love how you have the split vanities separated by this gorgeous bathtub. And then check out the size of this closet in the primary suite. It's gorgeous, right? Shower is beautiful. Of course, you have this beautiful view. Let's go check that out. I love, love, love the outdoor chef's kitchen. You have the refrigerator, you have the grill with the hood, you have the sink. You got the epic views. Can you see why I love this house? So one of the great things about Star Farms are your options when it comes to housing. There are townhomes starting in the $300,000 range. There are attached villas, those start in the 400s. And then there's single family homes that range anywhere from the 400s to well over $2 million. And those homes range from anywhere from 1,500 square feet up to 5,000 square feet. Let's talk about some of the amenities here. There's of course tennis and bocce ball and cornhole and pickleball and volleyball and basketball. There's multiple swimming pools. Now, of course, maybe that was a little selfish of me to tell you, the viewer, my favorite home, but drop a comment down below. Could this be your favorite home?